Mastering the phrase, ready in an instant. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've likely heard or will hear, ready in an instant. Understanding this phrase can help you sound more natural in English conversations. So let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to get you fully prepared to use it confidently. Ready in an instant means being prepared to do something or having something available immediately, without any delay. The word instant highlights the speed and lack of waiting involved. This phrase is often used in everyday English to express quickness and efficiency in various contexts, from cooking to technology. While we won't dive into deep historical details, it's helpful to know that the concept of an instant has always been associated with speed and immediacy. Over time, English speakers adopted this phrase to emphasize situations where no time is wasted. It reflects the fast-paced nature of modern life and the value placed on immediate results. 1. In technology, this app is amazing. It gets you ready in an instant for any kind of task you need to handle. 2. In cooking, looking for a quick meal? This microwave rice is ready in an instant. 3. In emergency responses, emergency teams need to be ready in an instant to effectively deal with crises. Each example showcases how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios, emphasizing preparation and speed. To use ready in an instant correctly, context is key. Ensure the situation implies immediacy or a very short preparation time. Tone matters. This phrase often conveys a positive, efficient, or impressive ability to respond quickly. Variations. Be aware of similar expressions like, in a flash, or, in the blink of an eye, which can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Understanding and using the phrase, ready in an instant, can add a layer of nuance to your English communication, particularly in conveying speed and efficiency. We hope this video has made you more comfortable with its usage. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find incorporating such phrases into your everyday English effortlessly. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.